trying to relearn yet again how to run this stupid thing. God damn it. What's that little fucker up there for? I can't even read that. Whatever's on that screen, I can't even read it. I'm trying to record a response video to some stupid little Texas thing where they use the sound effects from War of the World with Tom Cruise on it. It's obviously that sound effect. I have yet to hear anything recorded on any other site that is not identifiable, including one that was posted on Unknown Country, which basically was a sound effect from the 70s, possibly from The Visitors, or some other sci-fi thing, which was kind of nice and effective, but hey, I'm not that naive and stupid. So you people, come up with something better, you know, because some of us ain't new agey and half brain dead, and we know what's going on. And that's it. You know, I'm done. Now I'll figure out how to turn this thing off. Cancel. Stop recording.